Have you ever wondered why the government never forces you to pay income taxes? Think about it. There are no armed agents at your door on April 15th, no courtroom summons before you even file, no notice requiring your return. Instead, they ask, send letters, and provide forms. They use the word voluntary. Why? Because they know something that you don't. They know the truth about jurisdiction. They know that under the law, you're free unless you consent to be otherwise. So how do they get your consent? Easy. They scare you. They post stories about tax cheats. They fine a grandmother. They jail a father. They seize the accounts of small business owners, not because these people were truly guilty, but because you're watching. Because when you see it, you'll do what they hope. You'll comply. But you won't understand why. You won't ask what law applies to you. You won't question how a government of consent became one of assumed obedience. You'll file because they told you to, and you'll pay because they scared you into silence. My name is James Johnson. I asked the one question that breaks their illusion. What is the law that obligates me? They couldn't answer, so they punished me. They locked me in solitary confinement, not for violence, not for fraud, but for asking why. What I learned changed my life, and it will change yours too. That's why I wrote Restoring the American Republic, a book that exposes the system for what it is. It shows how artificial intelligence helped confirm what I already knew, that the federal income tax is limited by law, and most Americans are outside that scope. But if you never ask, if you never learn, you'll live under the illusion forever. Read the book at jamesbowersjohnson.com and then visit tothepresidentoftheunitedstates.com. Because if we don't restore the law, we'll be ruled by lies.